The CompTIA Network Plus certification is a valuable credential that enhances your IT infrastructure knowledge and skills. It focuses on troubleshooting, configuring, and managing networks, allowing you to elevate your professional capabilities. To obtain this certification, you must pass the N10-008 exam. In this video, we advise you to familiarize yourself with all aspects of the CompTIA Network Plus certification and the N10-008 exam. CompTIA Network Plus is widely recognized in the IT industry as the gold standard for launching a successful career. It is the preferred certification for roles in technical support and IT operations. What sets it apart is its comprehensive coverage of the essential skills network professionals require. Unlike certifications tied to specific vendors, CompTIA Network Plus equips candidates to handle networks on any platform. By obtaining this certification, you will acquire the necessary expertise to design and deploy efficient networks in real-world scenarios. To obtain the CompTIA Network Plus certification, it is necessary to pass the N10-008 exam with a successful outcome. The N10-008 exam is a prerequisite for obtaining the CompTIA Network Plus certification. It is offered in English, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. The actual N10-008 exam consists of a maximum of 90 questions and has a duration of 90 minutes. To pass the exam, you need to achieve a minimum score of 720 on a scale of 100 to 900. Prior to taking the N10-008 exam, it is recommended that you hold the CompTIA A+ certification and have at least 9 to 12 months of hands-on experience in a junior network administrator or network support technician role. The CompTIA Network Plus certification exam, N10-008, validates your understanding and proficiency in the following areas: setting up network connectivity through the deployment of wired and wireless devices, comprehending and managing network documentation, grasping the significance of network services, fundamental data center concepts, cloud computing, and virtual networking, monitoring network activity to identify performance and availability issues, applying network hardening techniques, administering, configuring, and resolving issues in network infrastructure. You have the option to select suitable resources for preparing for the CompTIA Network Plus certification N10-008 exam. We suggest utilizing the latest N10-008 exam questions provided by QuestionsTube. QuestionsTube offers top-quality materials to facilitate your preparation. Latest and updated exam questions. Our exam questions are the most updated, which should be the latest for you. Make sure get the latest exam questions to prepare well. Download directly without waiting. Support instant download, no waiting. Just place an order for your demand exam questions, then download directly. Full refund. Read our exam questions in PDF and software formats. We guarantee your success. If fail, we will refund. 1. A user reports that a new VoIP phone works properly but the computer that is connected to the phone cannot access any network resources. Which of the following most likely needs to be configured correctly to provide network connectivity to the computer? A. Port duplex settings, B. Port aggregation, C. ARP settings, D. VLAN tags, E. MDIX settings. Answer: D. 2. A technician is consolidating a topology with multiple SSLDs into one unique SSID deployment. Which of the following features will be possible after this new configuration? A. Seamless roaming. B. Basic service set. CWPA. D. MU-MIMO. Answer. A. 3. A new company recently moved into an empty office space within days. Users in the next office began noticing increased latency and packet drops with their Wi-Fi connected devices. Which of the following is the most likely reason for this issue? A. Channel overlap. B. Distance from the AP. C. Bandwidth latency. D. RF attenuation. E. Network congestion. Answer. A. 4. Which of the following provides guidance to an employee about restricting non-business access to the company's video conferencing solution? A. Acceptable use policy. B. Data loss prevention. C. Remote access policy. D. Standard operating procedure. Answer. A. 5. Which of the following can be used to decrease latency during periods of high utilization of a firewall? A. Hot site. B. NIC teaming. C. Ha pair. D. VRRP. Answer. B. 6. A company's web server is hosted at a local ISP. This is an example of A. Allocation. B. An on-premises data center. C. A branch office. D. A cloud provider. Answer. D. 7. An engineer is gathering data to determine the effectiveness of UPSs in use at remote retail locations. Which of the following statistics can the engineer use to determine the availability of the remote network equipment? A. Uptime. B. Netflow baseline. C. SNMP traps. D. Interface statistics. Answer. A. 8. A network technician is planning a network scope. The web server needs to be within 12.3169.1 to 12.31.69.29. Which of the following would meet this requirement? A. Lease time. B. Range reservation. C. DNS. D. Superscope. Answer. A. 9. Which of the following would be used when connecting devices that have different physical characteristics? A. A proxy server. B. An industrial control system. C. A load balancer. D. A media converter. Answer. D. 10. Which of the following must be functioning properly in order for a network administrator to create an accurate timeline during a troubleshooting process? A. NTP. B. IP helper. C. Syslog. D. MySQL. Answer. A.